Hello, my friend, and welcome back to your English practice. Today we have a new story. It is simple, slow, and easy to follow. You can listen, repeat, and shadow my words. You don't need to understand every word. You just need to enjoy the story and practice with me. So take a deep breath, relax, and get ready. Our story today is called The Power of Small Habits. It is about how small actions every day can change your life, your English, and your future. Are you ready? Let's begin. Many people believe that big success comes from big actions. They think they need to study for hours. They think they must read many books. They think they must change everything at once. But that is not true. Real change is small. Real change is quiet. Real change happens in small steps. Small steps, repeated every day, build big results. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't brush your teeth for 2 hours once a month. You brush for 2 minutes every day. That is why your teeth stay clean and healthy. Small daily habits keep your teeth strong. The same is true for English. You don't need to study for 5 hours on Sunday and then do nothing for the rest of the week. It is better to study 10 minutes every day. 10 minutes is small, but it is powerful. When you repeat a small action every day, your brain learns. Your brain builds a new path, a new road. Every time you repeat, the road becomes stronger. The first time it is small. The second time it is easier. The third time it becomes familiar. Soon, it becomes automatic. This is the power of small habits. Let's talk about learning English. You want to speak well. You want to understand easily. You want to feel confident. But sometimes it feels hard. You listen, but you don't understand everything. You speak, but you make mistakes. You feel slow. You feel shy. You think maybe I am not good. Maybe I can't do it. But stop. You can do it. You just need small daily practice. You just need small habits. 5 minutes of listening every day. 5 minutes of shadowing. 5 minutes of speaking to yourself. These small moments may look small today, but they grow. They grow like a tree. You water the tree every day, a little bit. One day it becomes big. The same is true for your English. Small habits grow into big progress. Let me tell you a short story. I had a student. Her name is Anna. She was shy. She wanted to speak English, but she was afraid. She didn't want to make mistakes. She didn't want to look funny. So she stayed quiet. But one day, she started a small habit. She said, "Every morning, I will speak for 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes." She spoke about simple things. I am making coffee. I am brushing my teeth. I am going to work. That's all. But she did it every day. After 2 weeks, it was easier. After 1 month, she could say more. After 3 months, she spoke full sentences. After 6 months, she joined a speaking club. Small habit, big change. You see, small habits are light. They are easy. You don't need strong motivation. You don't need big energy. You don't need a special plan. You just do them. You can do them anywhere. You can practice while you walk. You can practice while you make tea. You can whisper sentences while you wait for the bus. Small moments are everywhere. Maybe you think, I want to practice 1 hour every day. That is good, but maybe too heavy. You start strong, but after a few days, you stop. You feel tired. You lose motivation. You say, I can't do it every day. And then you do nothing. But if you plan 5 minutes, it is easy. 5 minutes is small. 5 minutes is light. 5 minutes is possible. You can do it every day. Small steps are better than big plans. Because small steps are repeatable. Repeatable steps become habits. Habits become part of your life. When something becomes a habit, you don't fight with it. You just do it naturally. That is the secret. Let's imagine a day with small habits. You wake up. You brush your teeth. You listen to English for 5 minutes. You repeat one new word. You speak one small sentence. You say, today I feel good. You don't need a big lesson. You just do something small. After breakfast, you shadow one short paragraph. In the evening, you repeat one phrase. That's it. It looks small, but it builds progress. Your brain loves repetition. When you repeat something every day, your brain becomes comfortable. At first, English feels slow. You think before you speak. You translate in your head. But after small daily practice, your mouth moves faster. Your ears hear better. Your brain reacts quickly. You start thinking in English. That is when you feel change. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to understand every word. You don't need to speak like a native speaker. You just need to show up every day. You just need to try. Trying every day is better than waiting for the perfect time. Let me share another example. Imagine you want to run a marathon. The first day, you don't run 20 kilometers. You start small. You walk. Then you run 1 kilometer. Then 2. After a few months, you can run a marathon. The same idea works for English. Don't try to speak perfectly in one day. Start small. Speak short sentences. Listen to short stories. Shadow short parts. Repeat them. Over time, your skill grows. Some people think small actions are not important. They say, 5 minutes? That's nothing. But 5 minutes every day is 35 minutes a week. In 1 month, it is 2 hours. In 1 year, it is 24 hours. That is 1 full day of English. Small time becomes big time when you repeat. So, how can you build small habits? Here are a few tips. First, make it easy. Choose something simple. Listen to a short story. Repeat one phrase. Don't make it hard. Second, connect it to something you already do. For example, when you drink coffee, shadow one sentence. When you walk to work, listen to English. When you brush your teeth, say one new word. Connect your habit to your routine. Third, be kind to yourself. Don't say, I am lazy. Don't say, I am bad. Say, I am learning. Say, I am growing. You are not slow. You are building step by step. Also, celebrate small wins. Did you listen today? Good job. Did you repeat one word? Excellent. Did you speak one sentence? Bravo. Smile and feel proud. Every small action is a victory. Now, let's make a promise together. Repeat after me. I will practice a little every day. I will not wait for the perfect time. I will enjoy small steps. I will trust the process. I will keep going. Remember, your goal is not perfection. Your goal is progress. Progress comes from small habits. One day you will look back and say, wow, I have improved so much. You will remember these small moments and smile. So, my friend, start small. Speak small. Listen small. Repeat small. But do it every day. Because small habits build strong skills. Small habits build confidence. Small habits build your future. Thank you for practicing with me today. You listened, you repeated, and you learned. You took one more small step forward. Be proud of yourself. You did something good today. Keep shadowing. Keep smiling. Keep believing in yourself. Every day is a new chance. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue. I'm your friend, and this was your English story about the power of small habits. See you next time, and remember, small steps, big change.